एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे ना पीछे तुम नहीं कहो ये कोई बात है. So you must be thinking why I'm carrying this umbrella with me even though I'm like inside a room. Well, actually for no reason. So let me just close this up. And throw it on the floor. Yeah, my look is completely contradictory to what I'm going to say now. You know what is my problem? My problem is with the female characters in the normal TV serials and movies and all these stuff. These female characters. And you know why? Because I'm also a girl and I'm also living this life, and I'm also living this life for like many years as a girl. So now I know how a girl is and how a life of a female is, if I'll be more general. Because you know why I have this problem? Because usually I don't watch a lot of movies and these TV series and all those stuff because I just found them to be very boring and like a waste of time. And like I like to indulge my time in better things like Bigg Boss. This problem I had for the longest time in my life because I cannot relate with the female characters there in the movies or these TV series. Because you know why? Most of the female characters, if they are like in a commercial film, they are just there for the glamour and the looks and the beauty, and obviously I'm not the most beautiful around here, so I cannot relate myself to those. And then comes the other kinds of characters, and they are like the normal, too simple, too seedhi sharif, ekdam sushil ladkiyan, and I am, look at me. You can guess if I'm making these kinds of videos, so obviously I'm not that sushili and sanskari as well. And then comes the third kind of character, and which are like believed as the ideal for women empowerment, and those girls are presented as just too strong, too bold, doing all those shitty things which like men used to do, and just abusing around people, just slapping them. And यार ठीक है, मतलब थोड़ा ठंड रखो, अच्छी बात है, पर I cannot relate to it as well because I don't like to abuse a lot. I don't abuse even, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत चलता है but not too much. And स्लैपिंग पीपल, ये वो, किसी को मारने पीटने से थोड़ी एम्पावरमेंट होगा भाई. एम्पावरिंग योर सेल्फ मीन्स एम्पावरिंग योर सेल्फ, नॉट लाइक ऑप्रेसिंग समवन एल्स. आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से हियर? So I cannot relate to them as well. And then comes the fourth kind of characters, and they are also like these, almost same as these bold women and all that thing, but they are portrayed almost just like men in the movies, and even more so, like too sexualized, and all of their lives revolves around like playing with men and all those things which I don't want to say, to enjoy life with boys and men and things like that. कौन सी लड़की ऐसा करती है यार, कौन सी लड़की ऐसा, ठीक है, there are few girls and I don't have any problem, because if like there are play boys, then why there can't be like play girls? So I don't have any problem with that. I am totally in support of that. But even with those girls, if you just go and ask them, they are not like that. It's not like their life. It is their time pass. They're doing it on the side. As being a girl, I know that we can do multitasking a whole lot better than a lot of boys. So if there's like a girl who's like playing with 4 boys around, just go and ask her. It is not the apex of her life. It's just something she does at the background of her life, man. And this is the only problem I have. And I can't tell about any other girls, but this is how I feel. I haven't seen, or I just don't remember any of the character till now from which I can just relate completely कि हाँ ठीक है, ऐसी तो मैं हूँ, same, ditto, yes बहन, we both are like same, ditto. ऐसा मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. And maybe this issue is there because most of the writers are males, so they don't know exactly how the psyche of a female works, or पता नहीं even the female writers are there, so maybe they are just commercializing the characters a little for just getting the TRPs and all that stuff. So that's why they are not writing the exact thing which is there with the girls. Because you know what, let me just tell you the secret of girls. Boys, listen carefully. If any of the boys watching this video, I am going to tell you the secret, the biggest secret of a girl, which you will never know if you will not watch this whole video. You know what the secret is? We are also humans. We are also normal human beings. Yes, sometimes we are too emotional and just like too irritating, a little mad, but for most of the times, for most of the part of our life, we are also normal human beings, just a little more beautiful and well groomed than the other counterparts of ours. I know, and you know I'm talking about males. Think like this. If even you are a boy, so there are so many like aspects of your life, and do you think like this ki I'm a boy, I'm a man, I have to do this, I have to do that like a man. Do you think like this? No, nobody thinks like this. So even for the girls, this is the same. We are not like, I'm a girl, I have to look pretty, I have to look beautiful, I have to do this, I have to be sexy, I have to be funny. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि the only goal is to be beautiful, to be nice and be attractive. I accept it is an important part for sure for most of the girls, क्योंकि हमारे देश में परवरिश ही ऐसी होती है कि दिमाग भले ही ना बढ़े पर शक्ल और जो ये सब चीजें अच्छी होनी चाहिए. तो इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम, पर ठीक है. पर फिर भी एटलीस्ट फॉर माई जनरेशन आई कैन से कि ऐसा नहीं है यार. ऐसा नहीं है कि सारी लड़कियां सिर्फ मतलब इसी में लगी रहती हैं. देयर आर मेनी अदर थिंग्स. वी आर ऑल्सो वर्किंग टू गेट आवरसेल्व्स एट द पोजीशंस वी वांट. वी ऑल्सो जस्ट वांट टू नॉर्मली वर्क लाइक. और ये चीज तो आई जस्ट हेट कि जो बोला जाता है कि मेकअप इज अ गर्ल्स लाइफ, अ गर्ल कांट लिव विदाउट मेकअप. कौन सी लड़की है जो मेकअप के बिना जिंदा नहीं रहेगी भाई? कौन सी लड़की है? यू नो व्हाट यू नीड टू सर्वाइव इन दिस वर्ल्ड? ऑक्सीजन, फूड, वाटर, अ रूफ ऑन द टॉप ऑफ योर हेड एंड क्लोथ्स एंड थिंग्स लाइक दीज. मेकअप comes at a very lower step, I could say. Makeup comes after all these things, and you know what, every girl knows it, even the brats knows it. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि girls can't live without makeup. It's like if we have the facility, why can't we use it, man? If we, inside we all know कि if you are only going to like us with the makeup on, obviously you are not liking us really, or I could say truly, because liking somebody means liking them just the way they are without anything applied on. So yes, we have that much brain actually. Things are changing nowadays. New kinds of characters are being introduced in the movies and in the TV series and all these things. But this is what I have felt, so that is why I just made this video, because if we'll still focus in the mass, most of the female characters are still stereotypical, and the biggest problem I have with it is like empowering women. I don't think empowering women or girls relates anywhere with over sexualizing the female characters. मतलब ठीक है भाई, सबका अपना right है to want something in their life, but it isn't required. What is required is to show women the way they are actually in their lives, and we are also just like men. We also have the same problems, and even just a little more, because we are females. That's it. This is exactly the way a female's life is.